Let's go, everyone! Today we're unboxing another The Hundreds X 8 Mile collaboration. This time, instead of the shirt, this is the maroon zip-up hoodie. So you all know the movie 8 Mile with Eminem and B Rabbit. This is official merch with a collaboration of 8 Mile and The Hundreds, one of my favorite street brands. Let's go. Here we go. So high quality feeling hoodie. Maroon color with the orange and yellow pop of the 8 Mile movie logo. Let me show you all. Boom. So you got 8 Mile logo with the hundreds in the upper left chest area. It's official 8 Mile, official hundreds branded hoodie. And the best part, boom, is the back where you see that it is live from Detroit's own 313 B Rabbit versus Papa Doc, one of the best freestyle raps of all time. Even though it wasn't really freestyle, but you know what I'm talking about. Love this movie, gonna watch it again soon. So let me know what you think of this hoodie in the comments below, and I will see you all in the next unboxing video. Later.